I guess, simplify this process down. So for me, what I want to see is I want to see price heading below my level. This is one of the most important things I look for. So we can see here a big bearish candle, and we have a retest candle into the zone. So I will simply draw this red line. Now this is what I call my break line. It's called a break line because it's the area that we first started to break below the zone. So I never trade directly off the break line. I want to see again what was going on in this region. So what gave me the confirmation to draw my break line here wasn't this candle, it was a series of candles. So again, lots of buy orders, we struggle to break above this area. Again, lots of buy orders, we struggle to break above. Lots of buy orders, we eventually break below the zone. Now, from a order flow perspective, the reason this chart is so powerful and it tells you the full story is because we can really see which orders are putting in the most amount of effort, right? It's effort versus reward. So we have a solid break below the zone, and this was my final confirmation over here. So we had a break below our zone. This was now sort of in this region. So we had this break below the zone, right? On the footprint charts especially, we had this break below the zone, right? Then we had price coming into our zone over here. This candle here, very interesting candle, this one here. So in order for me to go short, which is where I entered over here, in order for me to go short, I needed to see the following. Again, stop loss just below the zone. For me to go short, I'm looking for buyers to be absorbed. So it's the absorption and exhaustion principle, okay? So again, here we have the retest candle. So we have break down here, we had retest. And if you zoom into this price action over here, what you can see here, yes, it's a red candle. We actually had a lot of positive delta here and a lot of positive delta here. So simply put, what's going on is when you see lots of blue delta inside of a candle, right? Lots of these rectangles here, that is a strong indication that buyers are being aggressive, or it does show that buyers are being aggressive, but because we broke below our zone, buyers are unsuccessful. And this is the absorption principle. So what's going on over here, again, if this is our break line, there we go. If this is our break line, if these buyers over here were successful, if these buyers